So, what are complex filters? Well, these are filters that totally reshape your frequency response beyond the capability of your 5 basic filter shapes. First, let's talk about comb filters. I'm going to run a saw wave into an EQ, and then we'll play an E. We want to filter this note to get other notes out of it. If you watched my clip on harmonics, you'd know that a saw wave has every harmonic above that first fundamental, and we could exploit that. So let's place some bell filters with high resonances over 122, 202, 247, 287, 411, and 661 Hz, and then we'll play that E again. As you can see, we've created some new notes. This is basically what comb filtering does, but with a lot more frequencies being exaggerated. Now, flanging filters and phasing filters are similar to comb filters, but have a slightly different characteristic. Next up, we'll have formant filters, or vowel filters. They also work the same way, but these are designed to mimic specific vowels. Now, it's important to note that when you create extreme resonant peaks, your filters will begin to resonate on their own, beyond the length of their input. So just be aware of how that affects your sound. And make sure to stick around, follow or subscribe, and I'll show you everything you need to know on how to start using these complex filters. Feel free to ask questions in the comments, and make sure to leave a like. Thanks for watching.